keeping it under the leg. Okay, just for the sake of learning, show them all these things. But throughout the procedure, it is very difficult to keep this and then clean. Because I'm very sorry to say that those students are learning anatomy and coming, they are not aware of the parts which are here. Whereas you will find in the book, all labia majora, minora, all the words are there. So if you want to teach them properly, with all these things, it's very difficult. So tell them this is how the patient will be positioned. For now, our comfort's sake, when we are going to do, I will expose it and show you very well all the parts. That's how we do it, otherwise it's very difficult. Okay, actually why we are keeping it is, we'll be keeping it like this. Till I finish preparing everything and I bring it, we just lift it and start with the procedure. That's all. That is the purpose of this. Okay?
This is a separate procedure.
Just,
Along with the bed bath.
This is called,
Or last
yes,
step.
if they are unconscious patients. If not, see, hair wash and this one is not a must procedure daily, but bed bath is must. Back care is every 4 hours. Back massage is every 4 hours. Okay, these things are all must, but these are all optional. Some patients can do by themselves, though they are bedridden. Some patients need hair wash only once in a week, so it's not daily. Okay, but we are teaching everything together. That's all. Okay, so I'm just removing it for now. Okay, the mannequins we have, perineum is not actually, it's not a good one, because see, you cannot find labia majora and minora separately. That is the problem. See, but if you can spread it like this and see, minora is inside. Maybe you can call the students, come little closer and see, and they know their own perineum how it looks, so we cannot go beyond this. Okay, so they should know this area is called mons pubis, which they have left out in the book. It is not there. This padded area with hair, so that area should be cleaned. Then they should.
We do shaving also.
Shaving and all we don't do.
Gynae perineal care is different.
This is only fundamental
In
perineal care.
fundamental or in gynecology that
Even in direction, it is different. See, here we go from a different way. So don't, that is sometimes sterile perineal care. So don't worry about all that now.
One more topic for perineal care is towards the end of the
Catheterization.
So that time
We will do sterile one. Okay, ask the patient to lift the perineum and put Inco sheet. We usually prefer to we use what we are using for hair wash only here also. What to do. This is a clean procedure, but in gynae it is sterile procedure. Or urinary catheterization, it is sterile procedure. Okay, so if we have a smaller one than this also, we can use it. Okay, we prefer to keep it here because it is perineum. We do not want to bring the tissue and throw it here. That is the reason. Keep everything here, do it and throw it. Okay, these are the wipes which we use. Though in the book it is said that one towel and you turn the towel like this, like that. Now they are using here in the hospital or anywhere. We are not at all using. I think my hand will go. So here we are using only the wipes. Okay, and same like how we are doing for the mitten, we can just fold it like that. Okay, dip it inside and we are going to clean. Make sure that the students know with each wipe it should be thrown. But don't do that really because we will finish everything. Totally they'll give only this much. So at least one student, maybe 2 they can use. Don't give them more than that. And then there are some directions. How we are going to do? Always remember farther first, then nearer. Okay. Here we are going from labia majora, then minora, then the middle, because we are saying that lot of secretions are there in the middle. So cleaner to dirtier. Comparing to the middle area, the outer areas are cleaner. But when we come to patients who are going for surgery or gynecological procedure, it is the opposite way. Okay, so we are not going to explain all that to the students. When they go to maternity, they will learn about it. Okay, and there may be sometimes catheter over here. So just inform them there are 2 orifices which they do not know. This is clitoris, then first will be vaginal orifice, and urinary you cannot see because this mannequin is like that. But if you want to show, this Japanese
No,
manual
no,
is
look,
there.
it is there.
Is there?
Yeah.
No, it's not there.
To other questions.
This is vagina. This
No.
is not. This
No,
is not.
what is that small hole on top?
This small hole is vaginal.
No,
Next to vaginal is urinal. It's not there.
عكس. I feel the opposite. فاجينا الفتحة الكبيرة. Yeah.
Okay, urinary up and
Up
then
and down. Yeah.
But there is only one. Maybe there.
Vagina.
It will go on
Yeah, yeah. But we are not using this for catheter. Sorry.
Yeah.
First is urinary, then only vagina. Sorry. Okay, clean. Remember like this. Urine is always sterile, so it is first.
And then
But the hole is not there. Only one is there.
And this one also, if we are using this, I feel like this is the majority.
No, minora you can see. Come closer. Yeah. This is minora. But if you touch and see, it's very rough. You cannot. We will tell the students you have to do like this. If you touch and see, it's very, very, very tough. Which is not the real situation.
Yeah,
We know how soft it is, how sensitive it is.
The opposite.
So if we tell them no, they will do like this, and it should not happen in the real patient.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really a sensitive procedure. It's very difficult for them.
Yeah.
So we call all of them together, make it fast. Don't go step by step and all, and wait for them. They feel very shy. They feel very Okay? So solution.
ايش تسوي هيك يا ابتسام؟
أنا عندي عادي والله بشرح حتى 5 ساعات.
Whenever we open any sterile solutions, we should remember to check the expiry date.
Yeah.
Okay, but all these are expired solution because for practice they are giving not expired. Okay, if it is not expired, well and good. If not, this is nothing chlorhexidine and normal saline. Okay, antiseptic solution. So
أشوف العكس لو في مستشفى في expire بيجيبوه هنا حال اللاب.
I'm doing it. So first will be mons pubis. I said book it is not there. So the padded area, just clean it, change it. Okay, remember.
Use another
Then they
one.
should tell. Use another one. Farther side majora. Okay.
Yeah.
Farther side, sorry, nearer side majora.
Okay.
Then they have to separate it and
Minora.
clean minora. But see the direction, it should be like this. This is very important because they should never go from rectum to pubis.
Yeah.
They should always from pubis down. That is important. Contaminated area. Then same thing. This side, sorry, this side minora. Then the last one is clitoris to anus. Actually, this region is called fourchette, but no name. They will not get the name. Clitoris to anus. Okay, or pubis to anus, however you want. Okay, the middle one, lot of secretions are there. They can even use to tissue and clean it.
Please repeat it. The first one.
Majora.
Okay.
Majora nearer side, minora near farther side, minora nearer side. Then straight in the middle. Okay. Finish it. But there are in some other books there are some more things which I don't think we tell our students. You know the last one is take one more tissue and clean that rectal area. They say I don't think we need to do all that. Anal area, but it's not there in our book. Don't worry about it. Okay. And if you have already given bath, you don't need to worry about the thighs because along with the bath we clean all. But only this procedure you are doing. You should remember to take one more tissue and clean the thighs also. But if it is with bath, no need. No need at all. Okay, that's all is the procedure. So this solution also they will give only 1 or 2. So we cannot waste it.
Expired one is better. والله. Expired from the hospital, they're supposed to bring here. Because this is only lab procedure.
No, the hospital itself they don't have all this.
Oh,
Because nobody gives all this there. I have not seen anybody giving perineal care. I go for adult health students. No, we cannot see many of the things what we are teaching here there.
Maybe they must be into.
No, I'm saying about the general areas, adult wards.